Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's begin our next challenge, level 6. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password stored in a file somewhere on the server, and it has the following 3 properties. Let's head over to our terminal. We first want to see which files are available to us, so we type the list command. But nothing is available to us in this directory. This is because the password file is stored anywhere on the server, which doesn't have to be the current directory. So, how do we search the entire server? The first thing we must know is there exists something called the root directory. This is the highest level of the server hierarchy, from where all other directories and files can be accessed. Together with the find command, which searches the directory hierarchy, we are able to search the entire server. Now, we need to specify the 3 properties. We will begin with specifying the file size, as we saw this in our previous video. So, the first part of our command will be then we want to specify the user the file belongs to. Again, we will use the find command. We search for the right option. And here we have it. So the second part of our command will be next for the group our file belongs to. Again, you use the find command. We search for the group option. We found it. So the last part of our command will be finally, we want to combine all parts together. And since they use the same command, we can just collate the different options one after the other, like this. We hit enter to execute the command. But now we have a lot of information, mainly error messages like permission denied, no such file or directory. But we don't want this, we only want the results. The terminal has 2 different channels of output. Standard output, which is referenced by number 1, and standard error, which is referenced by number 2. Standard output gives results, and standard error gives error messages. So if we only want standard output, we will redirect the messages from standard error to a place where it gets automatically deleted, which is the dev null location. So if we want to add this to our command, it will look like this. And here we have our only correct result. We read it to obtain our password. We log out by either typing logout, exit, or Ctrl D. We log in to the next level with the password we just obtained. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 6, we type the read shell command. Everything is successfully synchronized. Let's head over to the read shell website to verify. We update. Congratulations on completing level 6. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. If you liked watching, please show your support and hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.